Less than 24 hours to go before the DJI event. How excited are you right now? Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and with just barely 24 hours now until the DJI event, it's fair to say we are all super excited. So what do we know at the moment? Well, we've seen the leaks of the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro. We've also seen a possible little accessory which looks like a portable gimbal or some sort of Osmo type device. We don't know anything more about that yet. It might not even exist yet, but that could be part of the See the Bigger Picture announcement. I wonder if they're talking about some sort of GoPro Karma kit. By See the Bigger Picture, a kit that lets you go out, shoot via drone, shoot via ground-based camera, possibly using this portable gimbal. It's all going to be announced tomorrow, and obviously we're going to find out. There is even speculation that another drone might be making an appearance, perhaps a Phantom 5. I'm not convinced, but comment below with your thoughts. If you're not already aware, DJI have also released an app, which is quite cool. Links to that app are in the video description, but you can be the first to buy your drone via that app, so it's definitely worth a look. We've also set up a shortcut for you guys to be able to easily find the live feed, DJI-Mavic.com. So easy to remember, but you can also put that into your web browser now and bookmark it so that you can go straight to the live stream when the time comes. So tomorrow, your decision may be between the Zoom and the Pro. The specs seem to be the same on paper, except for the camera. The Pro, of course, has the 1-inch sensor. The Zoom doesn't, but it does have an optical zoom. How useful is an optical zoom on a drone? Well, that's your personal preference. The dolly zoom effect can be recreated in post. Therefore, I'm not convinced, and I think you'd be better off buying the Pro with the bigger camera sensor. But comment below with your thoughts, let us know what your expectations are for tomorrow, give the video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. I'm actually currently in Romania at the moment, a really beautiful country, but it does unfortunately mean that I may not be able to live stream during the event because I'm pretty busy. But we'll see what we can do, keep an eye on the website and of course the channel. Thanks for watching, tomorrow is going to be an interesting day.